Yeah, good morning everybody. I hope everybody is well. I hope you guys can hear me and I'm audible. Happy Saturday. I am going off to the salon to drop my little sister to go get her hair relaxed, and then after this grocery shopping, and then the rugby festival, and then gotta come back, do a few of the house chores, and then restart my ginger bug because I messed up my ginger bug, and then restart my ginger bug with you guys, and then yeah, that's that. So I'll catch you guys in the car. Let us go to a hair salon for her to get a relaxer. Yeah, and this car is so dirty. Let me say cheers.
I'm driving. What do you mean I'm gonna say cheese? I'm gonna take my eyes off the road.
You actually can.
You wanna die?
I'm not gonna die. We're not gonna die.
Is there a phone number we can call them?
Okay. Yeah. Zumba here upstairs. We are here trying to get in. They told us to park outside. We had to walk in through the small little gate, but we are here. Apparently it's somewhere up there. I don't know what that is. In front of us, some warehouse or what? Shady. What the heck? Did you just stop? Okay, we went upstairs.
Oh, look at my chips. Really?
Relaxability, and then they wash you after. Scary. Okay, let's see. Scary business, guys. Scary business. Like, I am here. Look, there she is behind me there. Scary. Like, I will insert clip of her review of the place. Tell us, how do you feel? My roomers know. Is it good?
My legs. I saw Jesus, so that's good, and my scalp gets burned very quickly. So we'll see.
Experience.
It's awkward. Just awkward.
I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh,
It's relaxed. Please feel the texture on my hair. It's relaxed. Please feel it.
Your hair still feels natural, bro. It feels natural.
Because okupantitsa mafura.
Relaxa.
So it doesn't relax. It defeats the purpose. So this is gonna give me trouble the whole damn week. But good luck to you, sister.
You know what? It's okay now. You know we don't come here again. We try another one.
Like,
Here's my ribbon. My scrunchie. I had lost my scrunchie, you guys.
oh my god, good luck to me, my.
Let me see. Guys, don't come here.
It's gonna be a long week. Okay, I need to get it great. See how
0 out of 10. Okay, we are going back home. First, I'm gonna stop for petrol, which is right behind me, and then we are gonna we're gonna do some groceries. We're doing groceries, and then yeah. Okay, guys, she's alive and kicking. She's feeling much better. Look at her.
I fixed my hair, y'all.
She
Come
really
to me for Ipodo. 250, okay?
That's what's up.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. ain't wanna be with you.
Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curl.
Yeah, no. Must we leave? This thing is not fresh. The food is not fresh. How sad. The next food lovers. I'm alive. She really is alive. We're gonna go to the next food lovers. I'm out of data. Somebody burn me that phone so I can research where we should go next. Yeah, you can hotspot me, that's for sure. Okay, let's go. I have no
idea where we are.
idea.
We just decided to stop. Yeah. So let's look in our store. Maybe we'll find the stuff we need.
What is this, honey? Why refresh?
Guys, the grapes are there. I'm shopping.
No, you're not sure.
This is fine.
How much is that?
It's 20 rand.
How much is it around $3?
How would I know that?
No, I can't really say what's on my mind.
You can't say what's on your mind. Look at this fridge. Look at this fridge, y'all. We're taking a tour down the road.
We've got a biryani hut. We've got sushi buffet every day for 139. Love.
Yes.
Or yes, kya o tlhalosetse or o itse. O ska re no le surprise. And then what is this now? Kamiya Asian food. Oh, lovely.
What's a hair salon? What if it's the one? What's the name? I don't know.
Like, where's all the legs to do man to eat?
Oh, and they want but they want.
Also like me?
Yeah.
Jesus' name we win.
How crazy is that?
Okay, that's the end of it.
Looks like a fast food.
And what's my shy one? Go back and get them for late, honey. Ah, let's get them in some more. I'm getting like a little for because I have something.
Oh, okay.
Lamb skewers.
Let me check. There's something.
Pork intestine. We are definitely going to taste But you just ate Tshidi. You just ate.
She didn't change the system.
Yeah?
She didn't change the system.
Not only chicken feet. Nah, ki happy boy. Yo, I am in my element.
What
I
are
am
chicken
in my
gizzards?
love. I am in my element. Now it's like, and it is it's the same
And
price as
everything is- yeah.
it's the same price as Kostrati.
Pork rib. She's not eating. Right? No, she doesn't like hot food. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you.
Let's try to see if we can figure it out.
You ordered bread.
I can order a bread.
Oh, wait, is that it? What's the calamari?
The balls.
I don't.
Oh, maybe we'll taste them.
No, that's how did they make that?
Okay, here we go. This is really good. I'm having the eggplant first, and it's garlicky, spicy. It doesn't taste like eggplant. I think you would think that it's maybe like fish.
Yeah, you think you're eating like a squid or calamari? Delicious. Okay, let's try the ribs.
What's this?
I don't know.
We're not sure what this is, but
Let's taste it.
I don't know.
I don't know, but
But it's so good.
pork intestine. I think let's ask.
Guys, whatever this is, it's so good.
Hello. What is this? Oh, skewers. I'm just trying to figure out. What is it? But there's no beef.
There's no what?
No, it's the pork
the
intestine.
It's very good.
It's delicious. Thank you.
It's very good.
Pork intestine. Who knew?
And this is the calamari balls. Okay.
Huh? Look at my palate.
That is so good.
So good. So the deep trim, that's so good. Oh.
It's so good. And I thought they would be like extremely hot,
Wow.
but it's not. It's like actually well seasoned.
Wow.
It's actually,
Delicious.
even if you don't like chili, you would enjoy this. It's not
It's
like
not
hot.
chili.
It's not chili. Too good. You have a cutlery thing. You can put all of your rubbish and skewers in. Just put everything in there.
Okay, so now we're into the next set of
Okay.
food.
We are here now. We've got different kinds of meat. I'm gonna start with this. I don't know what this is.
Yeah, those look like and this looks like lamb.
Those are gizzards. I know them now.
Wow, delicious. They put
It's soft. This is a bougie ass chicken heart. It does not taste like a chicken heart.
it really doesn't. That's a chicken.
No, the eggplant is not the last delicious meal.
It really isn't. We can finish the chicken. We can finish the eggplant. Yeah, we can go.
It's actually,
Wait, let's taste the lamb.
the lamb has to be good.
Oh, are you holding on to food?
Yeah. It's so good. It's so good. This is the lamb.
Yeah.
That is lamb. I know it now. That's what's up. I mean, it's a chicken.
Colonia Boulevard. I give them.
Here's the receipt, you guys. We spent about 200 rand for all the food and everything. Literally the most expensive thing here is the casserolite. So yeah, if you are looking for a very nice place to come with your friends, you can they even have a package fee of 50 rand a bottle. So bring your friends, come chill. They will give you a fork and half if you are not one of them. So yeah, come to Go Spicy in Rivonia. Highly recommended by me. It's actually very delicious. Round 2, we're gonna try to do grocery shopping now.
I wanna be with you, me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still love me? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100. I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Look at how Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, yeah. Only for life.
Wasn't it blue?
If it is blue, it's good lovers.
No, it was
The black one.
it was the black ones, I think.
I think maybe it's a centimeter, right?
Because we got them at the checkers at Centered. Oh, it smells so nice. Ooh. I like this one. You wanna smell it? No, you must smell it.
It does smell so good.
I think I want to try this one. Okay, let's try this one.
Pass. Put the man down. Through the hand, that's what you want as quickly as possible. He plays the pass. The man gets tackled. He wrapped around. Trouble. He played the pass. Wrapped around. Lots of things. Everton versus Man City. Stormers versus Concat.
Baby, I need this off here. I need to.
Blue Bulls versus Munster.
Thanks, Morgan.
F1
Yo, we can then cool.
warm up. Yeah, F1 qualifying.
Yeah.
Good
Baby, are you doing the meat?
6 o'clock Pirates versus Alga for the semi-finals of CAF. Sundowns at 3 o'clock versus Al Ahly for the semi-finals of CAF. Gunningi.
Chicken strips that are cut almost like a bacon, so we're gonna try them and let you guys know how it tastes like, and maybe I'll just might buy it again. You never know.
We added smoke in it so that it gives you that bacon flavor.
Yo, my little sister, this is what she does for a living, by the way. You see me, Tshidi is the vlogger. Other people are actually putting work out there. This is my little sister's work, y'all.
Why I feel like you don't have a real job?
I don't have a real job.
Hit that shoulder, I know it coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. All feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely.
My battery is about to die. I basically just wanted to close off the vlog and thank you guys so much for spending the day with me and my family, actually, because they were part of this video as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying out the Asian spot I went to earlier on, and then yeah, I'm just gonna be washing my face and then call it a night.